Hello, my friends. Today I am here with my human hair silver bob from Emma Hairpiece, and I just wanted to show you. I've washed it and you've seen how curly it came out, so I wanted to style it back to a sleeker look and then maybe add some waves into it. So this is Remington's. It's an iconic conditioning, smoothing, straightening type of device, and it looks like a brush, but you can see here it has these interesting looking knobs that provide keratin protect. And so I've tried it and it's working incredibly. So what we're doing, I used the brush first and the hair dryer, and it just didn't work as good. Let me set this down, tighten this up. You can see this was the blow dried side and this was the straightener. This was the Remington smoothing, and that really straightened it nicely compared to the blow dryer. Let me tighten this down, and we're going to go ahead and touch up this side. This was when I used the brush and the blow dryer on, but let me show you. This works so much better. If you get one of these, get a glove, because when your hand touches that, if you accidentally touch that, it hurts. It's hot. I'm going to take it down a notch. Now I have it on the 190. This is human hair. So you can use hot tools on it, but it's going to be very, very important that you use heat protectant. You will damage, just like your own bio hair. But this isn't growing out, right? Where you can trim off the ends and grow out and trim out the ends. So you really have to protect it. So I'm just going to pull it down. And look how much straighter that is. And I run my fingers like that, and that really helps to straighten it out. Okay, let's take down another. So let's go ahead and fast forward this and get to the good part. And so what I'm just doing, wetting, putting on some heat protectant, and then running this through. So just do it section by section, and make sure you have a glove because it does get hot. But I did find that just smoothing it and the glove, what I used the glove with my fingers and hand was to help, as it was after I passed the heat tool through it, was to then with my fingers and the glove is to smooth it through that as it cooled down, and that just helped with the straightening. So here we are getting into the front section, the top section, just continued all around. This was so simple, so easy. I really like this tool and this method, being able to get the waves back out of my silver bob human hair to get it back straight and sleek again. So versatile. I can wear it so many different ways, but isn't she just beautiful? And I think this Remington tool works so good, getting it back and getting it back to its original way that I purchased it. I just loved it. Worked out great. So here she is back to her straight, sleek self. And what I used was this Remington straight brush. It worked great. I think it was so much faster than trying to blow it out and figure out with the brown brush and with the hair dryer. And then I just used some, this is for protecting, heat protectant, and this was from L'Oreal Studio. And I'll link these things below so you can see where you get it. And so thank you, Emma Hairpiece. This is a beautiful, beautiful human hair wig, and I've enjoyed wearing it curly after just air drying, and now getting her back sleek and straight. She's beautiful. Thank you. Doing my darlings. Bye.